Taking care of elephants can be dangerous.
There's many ways to get injured by an elephant, getting stepped on or crushed. Sometimes they can swat at you with their trunks, but there's certain precautions we take as professionals.
But not everyone is a professional. At a zoo in Mexico, a daydreaming worker sweeps out the elephant pen. But he ignores the first rule of elephant care. Watch your back. Or at least watch the elephant's back. Now he's packed into a pachyderm. Eventually, the elephant squeezes him out. Thanks to this butthead's stupid behavior, it's a day he'll never forget.